Hello guys. Okay, I'm going to show you this video. This is a little counting coins tutorial. So when I'm going to count a group of coins, the first thing I'm going to do is start with my biggest coin. So in this little group I have my quarters and they are worth 25. So I'm going to circle them and I have 25 and 25, which is 50. So I have 50 cents right here. I'll put a 50. Okay. Then the next biggest would be my dime. So I'm going to circle my dime, kind of. And I have two of them, so that would be 20. Okay. And then I have my nickels, which are worth 5. So my 3 nickels would be 5, 10, and 15. And then last I have my pennies, which are 1, but I have 3 of them, so that's 3 cents. All right. So then if I add them all together up, I would have 50 plus 20. That's 50, 60, 70. Then 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88. So that would be 88 cents. Or decimal 88. And then I could put my 0 because I have $0 bills. And then my dollar sign. Okay. Okay, I'm going to try one more. And this one is lined up. I already had them lined up by value. So this is another way to do it. You could just kind of start with the biggest. So that's 25. I'm going to write 25 right here. Oops. And then I'm going to go to the next coin, which is a dime. So I'm adding 10. So then that'd be 35. Then add another group of 10, which would be 45. There we go. Then 5. So now we're at 50. And then 5 more, which would be 55. And then 56, 57, 58. So this is 58 right here. So that would be my total. 58 cents. And then, whoops. And then another way to write it would be $0 bills and 58 cents. And there you go. Now you get to practice on your own.